Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can complete the Halloween quest on Bloxburg. Now, you do have to go to the event plot. To do so, you're just going to select event and select go to event plot, which I've done already. You're going to talk to this witch, select interact and select talk, and you're going to listen to Sabrina the witch. So as you can see, you need to get the potion from the barn, which is up there. So you're just going to want to go to the barn here, and you're going to kind of like jump on the trees, and then like jump on the like door. Oh, sorry, I'm like really bad at obbies. Oh no, am I stuck here? No, okay. You're going to jump on this tree. And then you're going to go to this door and you're going to jump here. There we go. Get the book. Okay, don't sit. Take. Just jump and then go back to Sabrina the witch. Interact, talk, continue. Okay, so you'll need to make a potion that's weightless, so get a balloon from the lot, jump here, and select use to create the potion. Don't drink it, just go back to Sabrina and interact and talk again. Continue something loud. So go to your backpack here and search for chainsaw. You do have to buy it. Select yes. And then here, you're going to select use. There we go. You're just going to jump, and then you're going to select interact again, and you're going to select talk. Okay, it's not the correct one, so try to use the drill one instead. So if you used either drill first, you do have to do the chainsaw after. Okay, so we need to go to the city hall, so I'm just going to teleport to the cashier by going to work and going to the cashier one, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've arrived at the Bloxburg City Hall, and I'm just going to walk in this door. You're going to go left here, and you're going to go to the second furthest like book area. Take the glowing book, and you're going to go back to the event plot. Now that I've came back to the event plot, you're going to walk and give this to Sabrina the witch. So again, select interact and select talk. Goodbye, and then select interact and talk again. Potion, we need something bright. So go to your backpack again and grab a flashlight. I already have it here, so I can just use this one. Go back to the potion making area and select E to create the potion. Oops. Interact and then select talk again and select continue. We need one more. So interact again and select talk. So we are going to then go to the like fisherman area. So go to work and go to the fisherman one. So once you're here, you're just going to go out and you're going to select take. And then you're just going to go back to the event plot again. Now that you're back, you're just going to want to go back to Sabrina the witch. So I'm just going to walk to her. How's my mood already low? Okay, interact, and you're just going to select talk again. Goodbye, and you're going to talk again. Oh, wait. Okay, so you'll need to go to your... Wait, let me look at it again. Okay, so it's a see-through potion. Go to your backpack and type in glasses And I'm just going to buy the cheapest one, the reading glasses, and you're just going to walk to the potion and you're going to select E for use. Grab that potion and you're going to again give it to Sabrina. Interact and then select talk. Continue. Goodbye. Select interact and talk again. Continue. And you're going to take it and you're going to drink it. So select drink. And you'll be able to find the ghost here. Select talk and select continue. Continue. Okay, so you'll need to go to the park. Let me see the closest. Okay, I think the closest one is like working as the delivery person. So just do that. I'm just gonna use this motorbike, and let's go to the park, which is somewhere around here, if I'm not mistaken. It should like show up. There we go. And you're just going to want to grab the shovel from your backpack. So type in shovel, select it. And you're going to go here, the graveyard with the witch's hat. Then select dig. And you're just going to dig. And you'll be able to find the key. So select take here. And you'll have the key in your hands. And you're just going to again go back to the event plot. Alrighty, so now we are back and we are just going to go in the mansion. I don't know why we can't go like through the front door. I just usually go from the right side. And you're just going to basically go into the mansion here. Then you're just going to walk in, and to find the maze, I think it's on the right side. Somewhere. Oh. Not here. I don't remember because honestly my friend carried me through the maze. I think it was like somewhere here. Oh, here it is. Okay, it's near the fireplace, so just keep going to the doors and just go down. Okay, so to go in the maze, this is confusing. You're just going to follow this light here. So whenever you see that light, you know you're going the right way. Okay, so you're just going to keep walking, as you can see, until you see these stairs, and you're just going to go up here, open this room, and you are going to go to some rooms here until you find this area, and you're just going to take this like necklace. I'm just going to like drop down here. And we're going to go to the ghost and give it to her. Not the witch, but the ghost here. Talk. Continue. Okay, we need to go to the fairy ring, which is on this side of the mansion. This is the fairy ring here. Select use. Continue. Continue, continue. And challenge completed, you get a trophy. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.